Stop crying, Rosie. It's a grounded time, or else you get third punishment day.
All right, let going with Olivia. Bingo, I let get there with Olivia.
Hi, Rosie. How are you, Rosie?
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, Olivia.
That's right, Rosie. How are the people who have been warned about this guy? The adventures are a bit more than a year ago when the first auto hit was the best thing I could ever see. On my own in the beginning.
Wow, this is a #1 in the first half. The last time we were talking too long was a lot more than that I thought it would have to dealers. Oh no 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 number. Yeah, subway crash. Yeah.
You're under arrest because case of terrorism is subway. That's it. You're going to jail. This is your cell. You're staying in jail for 7 hours until 2 get executed by hanging. And there will be no computer, no TV, no bed, no blankets, no pillows, no Elmo's World, no The Simpsons, no Family Guy, more. Now your visitors want to see you.
Rosie and Olivia. I can't believe it's subway crash. That's it. You are too grounded until rest of your day. Goodbye forever. This is worst day ever.
Any last words?
No, please. I don't want to die.
Too bad, Olivia and Rosie. We did it.